Greetings, seekers of peace and harmony. Today, let's explore the transformative power of meditation in just 60 seconds. Meditation, the timeless practice that nourishes the soul and calms the storm within. Picture this. Amidst life's whirlwind, there exists an oasis of tranquility within you. In the chaos of modern living, meditation serves as your sanctuary. It's not just about sitting cross-legged. Oh no! It's a portal to clarity, a journey inward. Regular meditation rewires your brain, reducing stress, anxiety, and boosting emotional well-being. And the gifts it brings: enhanced focus, improved sleep, and a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. So dear friends, let meditation be your compass in this chaotic symphony of life. Take a moment, breathe, and embark on this sacred journey within. Until we meet again, may peace and tranquility be your constant companions.